What's the matter, friend?
Well, I'm going to take my pilot license exam soon, but I'm not ready.
Well, what are you struggling on?
When I aim for Los Angeles from Seattle, I always land in the ocean, and the Coast Guard has to fish me out. This is like the 5th plane I've crashed.
Oh, well, are you forgetting the Coriolis effect?
The what-a effect?
The Coriolis effect, silly. You see, the Coriolis effect occurs because the Earth moves faster at the equator than it does at the poles. So when you're flying in the northern hemisphere, the plane will be directed to the right relative to the plane. And because of this, we need to angle our destination a bit more to the left. In your case, flying from Seattle to LA, you would need to angle your plane to the left of LA.
Oh, but then, how come when I'm flying from Sydney to Melbourne, I end up in the ocean too?
That's because in the southern hemisphere, the plane is directed to the left relative to the plane. So we need to angle our destination a bit more to the right. In your case, if we were flying from Sydney to Melbourne, we would have to angle your plane right of Melbourne.
Oh, it makes so much more sense now. Michelle,
Oh, yeah?
I have a confession.
Uh-huh.
Out of 5 planes I crashed,
Uh-huh.
I hit a whale in the last one.
What?
It wasn't a big one. I asked some nearby fishermen to dispose of the body.
Why would you do that?
What do you mean? I wasn't just gonna let a whole whale carcass go to waste.
No. Okay, look. That whale can be used to sustain life in the benthic regions of the ocean. A 40-ton whale contains 2 million grams of organic carbon. That's high-quality nutrition of blubber, protein, and oily bones. A bonanza of organic matter for organisms at the bottom of the sea.
A bonanza of organic matter? Do they just feast on this baby like Thanksgiving dinner?
Well, there's 3 stages of a whale fall.
3 stages? Like appetizer, main course, and dessert?
No. Look, 3 stages as in 1, the mobile scavenger phase, 2, the enrichment opportunist stage, and 3, the sulfophilic stage.
What are those?
In the first stage, the mobile scavenger stage, consists of deep-sea necrophages that remove most of the soft tissue of the whale. In the second stage, the enrichment opportunist stage, the organic matter of the whale that is dispersed in the surrounding area provides nutrients for suspension and deposit feeders. And lastly, in the third stage,
The dessert?
right, the sulfophilic stage, bacteria metabolize fats and oils and reduces fats from water, releasing hydrogen sulfide that powers chemosynthetic communities. This, in turn, brings about a community of photosynthetic organisms which can last for decades.
Wow, Michelle. Where'd you learn all this?
In Professor Paul Barber's EEB 109 Marine Science class at UCLA.
Wow, I should take that class too.
Yeah! And you should probably quit your dreams of being a pilot.